In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my latest Amazon purchase. This is the Smart Bird Feeder from the company Lefang Direct. With all my purchases, I like doing these unboxings in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the same item and they want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's quality like, etc. It is big and heavy. It's a lot heavier than I thought it would be. This one comes with a camera, and we're going to be using that camera. I'm going to do an unboxing, and once I get it set up, I will show you kind of how it works, and we'll take a look at some bird footage if we get it. Hopefully you can see this okay. It's kind of, the box is so big it's kind of hard to show you the writing on the box. The biggest reason I went with this one is this right here, solar panel charging. I'm not interested in running AA batteries or stuff like that. So let's go ahead and let's open it up. We have our user's manual. Some of this stuff I will say I might not know exactly what it is. Once I get everything out, we will take a look at it. Looks like an antenna. This looks like our seed tray. And it looks like you can take this off for cleaning it. Assuming this is going to be where the birds perch. And here's going to be our seed dish. And then the feeder itself. I should mention you've got a latch back here in the back that you can lift up and tilt it, and that's where you can put seed on the side here. The way this is designed is you can basically fill seed. Seed will basically stay on the sides of the camera, and then it will funnel down to the seed tray. Or you could just throw seed on the seed tray, but the idea is that it would funnel down through here. You can see your seed level, and then you don't have to feed your feeder as much. There's the solar panel built into the roof. So let's take a look at some other things. Because here's another solar panel. So you've got solar panels in the roof, then you've got this additional solar panel, the mounting bracket, metal mounting bracket. It's got a nice powder coating finish too. Some mounting hardware, little screwdriver to use with your mounting hardware. There's a Type-C charging cable. Wing nut. And then a strap. I'm assuming the strap would be if you're wanting to put this on a tree versus mounting it on a pole. I'm going to be trying to mount mine to my bird feeder pole. And then you've got this additional mounting plate. So again, I'm not real sure how everything's going to go, but that's a quick unboxing. Let's put it all together and see how it works. I think I've got everything up and running. I'm at a point where I'm ready to go install it. I was going to say the instruction manual is pretty good. The thing that's tricky with the instruction manual like this is there's a bunch of different setup options, so you really don't have to use everything. There's a couple of things I am kind of confused about. The camera has an internal battery. You can use this cord on the back here to plug the camera in to a wall outlet and manually charge it, or you can use the solar panel to keep it charged, or you can use the built-in solar panels on top of the roof to keep it charged. So they give you a bunch of different options. I'm not real sure why they gave you this, being that you've got these solar panels. But I guess if somebody's camera is getting too low and they want to plug in this solar panel to charge it, you can do that. What I plan on doing is if my camera gets too low, I'll just bring it in, plug it into a wall outlet, charge it, let it get fully charged, and then let these solar panels keep it going. Not a whole lot to it. There is a slot in here for a micro SD card. You have to take the plug out from the solar panels to get to that slot, and then you're basically going to put the protective cover back over it. I've got this mounting bracket on back. It's nice the way they designed this because you can tilt this any way you want to get the perfect angle for your feeder. You do not have to use this mounting bracket if you don't want to. You can use this mounting bracket. I think this one's really more so designed for the solar panel, or you can use your own mounting bracket. This solar panel has a long cable if you're wanting to run into the camera. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put it out just using the solar panels on top. Let's see how it works before I go ahead and worry about that solar panel. I wanted to show you though, the app was extremely easy to install. Let me show you on my phone. The app you're looking for is this Vico Home, V-I-C-O Home. You have your camera right there. You can name your camera pretty much just like any kind of security cameras. And then you've got a live view of what your camera is looking at. You can even press to speak to it. So if you've got a dove sitting on your camera or sitting on your bird feeder all day eating and you wanted to talk to it and tell it to get out of here, you could do that. So it's kind of a cool feature. But enough about that. Let's put it out. Let's see what kind of bird footage we get.